Hi guys, in this video we will solve another interview question, which is container containing maximum water. So in this question we are given an array with different elements. We have to find the area of such a container which has the maximum area from the given number of elements or the elements present in the array. Now we will start the next thing. We will start from the two endpoints of the array. That is, our ith index will point to the 0th index and our jth pointer will point to the array.length minus 1th index. So first of all, we will calculate the capacity of the container by the formula minimum of ai and aj into j minus I. Here minimum of ai comma aj will give the minimum value between ai and aj, which will represent as height, and the distance between the two indices, that is j minus I, will give us the length. That is, we will be able to find the area of the container by the formula height into length. Now, as you can see, we will calculate our area of from the elements to which our current ith and jth pointers are pointing, which is minimum of ai and aj. Here is 1 and 2. Distance is 1. I'll also start with the indices here. 0, 6. Now the first will be 6. Now we will check which element is smaller between ai and aj. Now as you can see, in this case ai is smaller than aj, so we will increment I by 1. Now again we will calculate the current capacity, which is and we will calculate the current capacity by the formula minimum of ai comma aj, and in this case here it is 4 minus the distance between them, that is 6 minus 1 is 5. 8 into 5, no, actually the minimum will be 4 in this case, so 4 into 5 will be 20. Now again we will check which is smaller between element present at ith index and the element present at jth index. As you can see clearly that the element present at jth position is smaller than the element present at ith position, so we will decrement our j pointer by 1, which is this case, this 5th index. Now again we will calculate the new capacity by this formula. Now capacity is 7 into 4, which is 28. Now again we will check which one is smaller. I forgot to tell you that every time we calculate the new area, we will check whether the current area calculated is greater than previous capacity or not. If the current capacity is greater than previous capacity, then we will set the previous capacity to the current capacity, because the objective of our solution is to find the container with maximum capacity. Now again we will check which one is smaller, and in this case element present at the jth index is smaller. Then again we will decrement our j index by 1. Now again we will calculate the capacity with this formula minimum of ai comma aj into the distance between the two indexes, which is 4 in this case, and 6 into 3 is 18, Now again we will check, and now this will be 3, 2 into 3 is 6. Now again we will decrement jth pointer by 1 because element present at the jth index is less than the element present at ith index. Okay, now this is 2. So that. Now again we will calculate the current capacity with the formula minimum of ai comma aj into the distance between the two indices, and in this case it will be 5 into 1, which is 5. Now we will keep incrementing or decrementing our indexes until they are equal to each other. As you can see, if we decrement our jth index by 1, it will become equal to I. So now we have iterated through every element present in the array. That is, we have iterated through entire array. Now as you can see, the maximum capacity will be 28. Now let me code the solution. We will take int capacity equal to integer dot min value for int I assign 0, we assign height dot length -1, and we will keep iterating the array until I is not equal to j. So we will calculate the current capacity in temp equal to math dot min ai comma aj into j minus I, and then we will check if the current capacity is equal to previous capacity or not. Here temp refers to the current capacity, which is used to hold value temporarily, whereas capacity refers to the original or previous capacity or the final capacity which we are trying to calculate, which should be maximum. Capacity equal to temp, and we will check if height of I is less than equal to height of j, then we will increment I++, meaning if the element present at the ith index is less than the element present at the jth index, we will increment the I pointer by 1, else we will simply decrement the jth pointer. And here we will return capacity. Now let me check whether this code is running or not. So actually this will be height, and this will also be height. And also we can compress these 3 lines into a single line. That is, we can convert these 3 statements into a single statement, which we can do by this capacity equal to math dot max of capacity and math dot min of height I comma height j into j minus I. We have simply shortened the whole expression. This will be math dot max. Now let me submit this code. As you can see, the solution is complete and successful. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.